Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno4Z, and today I'll show you how you can check your battery capacity in the smartphone. You have to open Play Store, tap on search pool and type Ampere. We are going to use this application. So let's make it. Click open. Tap yes, agree, close, tap OK. And as you can see, when you take a look closely, here we got the data of our battery, and here we got the maximum capacity. As you can see, if you swipe on the right, you can spot the same data but on the other theme. And basically that's all. That's how easy you can check it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.